Last week, a student of my advanced training for cryptocurrency traders and investors came to my DM and asked me a question that really interested me. In fact, the moment I saw the message notification, I opened his chat immediately. Now, what did he ask me? That's probably what you're wondering. Here's his question, and here's how he put it. Mr. Melvin, is a promising white paper enough to make a coin investment worthy? That's what he asked. Now, many players in the cryptocurrency market have expressed concerns over the fact that they've been losing good money to coins that have brilliant roadmaps and convincing white paper. A beautiful roadmap does not necessarily make a coin investment worthy. Investors in the cryptocurrency market tend to confuse a good white paper with a good investment. And in the financial markets, this kind of error is called representative error. A good white paper is the written description of a coin that seems very logical and has an attractive pitch. On the other hand, a good investment is simply a coin that increases in price more than other coins. Now, the question is this: are cryptocurrency with good white paper good investments? The answer to this question may be no. Now, here's something you should know. Classifying good coins as coins with logical roadmap and attractive white paper ignores the fact that very few coins can achieve the type of growth foreseen by their white paper roadmap. Nevertheless, the popularity of these coins and the quality of people promoting them drives their market prices even higher. I hope you got this part, like these two paragraphs of statements I made now are very, very important. Let me repeat it. Classifying good coins as coins with logical roadmaps and attractive white paper ignores the fact that very few coins achieve the type of growth foreseen by their white paper and roadmap. Very, very few coins achieve the kind of growth that is usually pitched, foreseen, anticipated, stated by their white paper and roadmap. Nevertheless, what usually drives the market prices of cryptocurrency higher is, number one, the popularity of these coins, and number two, the quality of people promoting them. Check Bitcoin, check Shiba Inu, check AXS, check Wakanda Inu, check all these coins that did amazing bull runs, amazing price rallies. Check them. They have these two things in common. Number one, they are popular, or rather they have increasingly growing popularity. And even then, the major reason for this increasingly growing popularity is because of the second thing they have, which is the major thing: the quality of people promoting them. Shiba Army, Wakanda Warriors, Bitcoin Chief. Everywhere you see Bitcoin Champion. These coins their prices rise high, very, very high, because of the quality of people promoting them makes them increase in popularity. And them increasing in popularity means increase in adoption. And them increasing in adoption means increase in price. Now, this is what makes a coin a good investment today. Maybe there was a time when a coin having a very logical roadmap and attractive white paper made it was its major criteria for price increase. But now, that's not what works. Now, what makes a coin's prices skyrocket are quality of people promoting them and their popularity in general. And that popularity comes from the quality of people promoting them. Eventually, it becomes apparent that investors who have been too optimistic in predicting future growth based on white paper or roadmap usually end up in loss. And this is because the coins usually don't meet the expected projections. In the financial markets, this kind of situation is known as overreaction. Thanks for watching.